Okay, guys. Good morning or good evening to everyone. And thank you so much, those who are all watching this video, watching me live. And today I'm excited to share my results. I hope most of you have guessed it. What is it all about today's topic? Before that, I'm Jamuna. I'm a law of attraction coach and a hope Nupnu healer. And I know you're all excited today to find out what is this. I wrote it, I got it. What did I write and what did I get today? Sure, I'm going to reveal everything to you today in this session. And please type in if any of you would have also written affirmations like this, and if you are manifested, please type in the comment section or in the chat section. And if any of you have any doubts in how to write affirmations in all areas of your life, please you can contact me by clicking on the link below in the description box. I have given my WhatsApp group link. You can join there, and I will give you a free webinar on Ho'oponopono and how to write affirmations as well. Like, I have ready affirmations for all areas of your life, and I can share with you guys. Yeah. Okay. So this is my journal. Uh, Journal in the sense I have written all my affirmations in this. I started writing this one when did I write 8 9, that is September 8 9 22. Okay, so I have written, what did I write here? Ask and it's given, receive it. So this is all about law of attraction. Law of attraction says first you ask and it is given. Definitely it is given, for sure, 100% it is given, but you should be in a position to receive it. So you're asking and it's given, you receive it. That is the whole concept of law of attraction. Dear universe, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. As a Ho'oponopono healer, that will be my first mantra in everything I do. So, if you see, I have written affirmations for my health, relationship, career, and money goals, business money goals. And I'm going to tell you today what all I have manifested after writing this. In health part, I have written I have glossy skin. Yes, earlier my skin was not like this. This one, no makeup, it's zero makeup, just a moisturizer and some loose powder dabbed on it. That's all. Nothing else. No foundation, no concealer, nothing. No makeup items. Just a normal moisturizer and the powder. So my skin is so clear and I'm loving my skin, my beautiful skin. Earlier, it was not like this. Yeah, I hope, I wish I would have showed my earlier photos. Okay, next time. And I've written, thank you, universe. I have thick, long, soft, silky hair. I have beautiful hair. This is what I've written. Yeah, earlier my hair was wavy, rough, and frizzy. But now it has improved a lot. It looks so beautiful because I read these affirmations every day without miss, with all the emotions involved. And next, I have written my thyroid levels are always normal. Yes, now I'm not taking any medication for thyroid. I had thyroid for more than 9 years, but now it's been, I think, 3 years I stopped taking medicine for thyroid. These results are individual. Please do not try to do it by stopping the medication just because you have written the affirmation and stopping to take the medication. Please don't do that. Only when your reports are normal on the consultation of doctors, you decide on your medication. Okay, these results are relevant only for the individuals, not it'll not be the same for everyone. Okay, because everybody's frequency is different. Each one of us are vibrating at different frequencies. That's why. And I have written, thank you universe, I have excellent nervous system. Yes, I had. I didn't have any nervous related problems as such, but I had like a travel sickness, and my neck used to strain a lot. These things, and as I wrote these things and I visualized myself, now my travel sickness has almost come down. It happens only once in a while, not always. And yeah, my neck is absolutely fine every day. I'm going to share this result in another video probably. Okay, and this is all about health. And coming to my career, I have written, thank you universe, I'm now working. Thank you universe, I'm now working in dash company. I'm not going to reveal the company name. And the next line is, I'm a gladiator, problem solver, and unstoppable. Thank you, universe. I have already attracted my dream job in my dream company and have received my first salary in my account, 50,000 rupees per month, happily and easily. Thank you, universe, for such a wonderful job. This is what I have written, and very soon I manifested a job in my dream company. And if you see, I have written 50,000 rupees per month here, but my salary was more than this. It was double this amount. That means, like, I have written, like, I have already received my first salary in my account. I have mentioned the amount also, happily and easily. Thank you universe for such a wonderful job. This is what I had written, and I manifested a job. I think you guys have watched my previous video, how I attracted my dream job. If you didn't watch that yet, I have given that link in my description box. Please go and check it out, how I manifested, what I practiced for that, and have a look at it. Next, what I have written, I love my work and give 10 times value to my work. I'm committed and take 100% responsibility for my results. Okay, and in terms of money, I have written, you can see, I have tick marked these things. Okay, I have already achieved the supervisor level in my business successfully and easily. I am making 25,000 rupees every month in Dash happily and easily. Earlier, I was doing a side hustle as a part time thing, as a business, and in that, I wanted to go to the supervisor level. There are so many levels, and the last level is the supervisor level. So I wrote this affirmation, I have already achieved the supervisor level easily and successfully, and I did it. Yes, I reached that stage, and I was making money, I was earning. And thank you universe for helping me achieve 50% profit in my business happily and easily. I have ticked that also. Yes, I was making 50% profit in my business. That was another manifestation. And next, thank you, universe. I have already attracted a commercial property and receiving rupees 50,000 every month happily and easily. This is also done. It's done. But yeah, one thing, I have manifested a commercial property, but the rental, what I have written here, receiving 50,000 rupees every month happily and easily. That has not yet happened, but I have already attracted a commercial property. And this one, the rental income, what I have written 50,000, it is in the process. Very soon, I'm going to share that result as well. Sure, yes. And what is the next one is, thank you universe, I have already recovered my money dash rupees from my dash happily and easily by 30th September 2022. This is what I have written here, and this is also done. The date I have written 30th September 2022. When did I write this? This I wrote on 8th September. This affirmation I wrote it on 8th September. And the date I have given here is by 30th September 2022. I have recovered all that money from so and so. Okay. And I did recover this money, but not on 30th September 2022. I recovered in January 2023. Although it was like 2, 3 months later, but I manifested it. It happened. I had written this and I got it. And here I've written so many general money affirmations like I'm financially free, I'm a money magnet, money flows to me easily, all these things. Along with that, I had written one more affirmation which is very powerful and so nice. I have multiple sources of income. So after writing this, believe me, I had no income. I had no income even from any single source. Yes, my husband was working. He was getting the salary, but I was not working. I was not getting any kind of income. After writing this, believe me or not, I get goosebumps. Literally, I made one, two, three, four, five income sources I made. The doors started opening up for me. The opportunities flowed to me like anything, one by one after the other, one after the other. The opportunities came to me, and I simply accepted it. Whether it is a small amount or a big amount, I did not think about that amount. What is that total amount I will be earning as part of that job or that business? I simply accepted it, and I created five sources of income. I'm going to reveal that later in the video. What are those sources? If possible, I'll try to make a video on that. Okay, so it is so powerful. You guys write it down. Just write it down and read it every day. Definitely, universe will give you the ways. It will show you the route where to go. It will give you the clarity on what to do, which way to go. It will bring up all the opportunities to you, even though you don't have any clarity or idea what to do. Even I was in that same situation, like I was no idea what to do, but one by one started coming to me, and I just accepted it. I did it. It all started manifesting everything. uh, Others I have written general affirmations like I deserve the best, my good comes from everyone and everywhere, I'm a value giver, I express my infinite gratitude for all the good in my life to universe. So this is so very important. Guys, please express your gratitude. The first step for manifestation is gratitude. Gratitude is the first step. Without gratitude, if you just read all of these affirmations even for 1,000 times also, no, it's not going to work. It'll just be in this book, that's all. So please practice gratitude for every single thing. I have made a video on gratitude as well. Please go check it out. Start practicing gratitude every day, every moment of your life. You can say thank you for watching this session, watching this live video as well. You can say thank you. I'm getting so many information from this video. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for such a bright weather. Thank you for the breakfast I had today. Thank you. I'm breathing today, healthy. Say thank you for everything. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. It plays a main role. It is a bridge for us to connect with the universe. Without gratitude, even if you do 10 techniques, also, there are so many manifestation techniques. No matter how much techniques you practice every day without fail, with all the dedication, but if there is no gratitude, you cannot achieve anything, even with all the powerful techniques. So, gratitude is so very important. Keep expressing your gratitude to everyone and to universe as well, of course. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, oh my God. Yes. See, I have written here, this was on 24th September. I've written 24th September. Here I have written, I have manifested an Apple MacBook laptop, latest model. Thank you, universe. You know what happened? I wrote this in September, 24th September 2022. I think in November, yeah, November, all of a sudden, my husband comes to me and he says, "Hey, would you like if I buy a laptop for you? I think you need it. I've already ordered. I wanted to keep it as a surprise for you, but then I just thought of checking with you if you really wanted or not. So I just revealed it." He said, I was like, "Oh my god, I had written this thing, Yeah, although I had written Apple, but I didn't get Apple. I got HP, the one I'm using now. It's a new one, and somehow I got a laptop, new one, isn't it? So here another thing, what I can tell you is, for salary I had written 50,000, and I got more than that, double that, more than that. And for money recovery, I had written September, but I received in January. And here I have written Apple MacBook laptop, okay? But I got Samsung, sorry, HP. But I got a laptop. What my intention was, I wanted a laptop, okay? I wanted laptop. When I was writing, I wrote Apple. Let me manifest for a higher one, which is very on the topmost one, right? But I got HP. HP is also a good brand only. There I wrote 50,000, but I got more than that. Here it might vary when you write something here, but it will be manifested. But what I'm telling you is, maybe the timeline will vary. There will be a variation in the timeline or in the amount also. Suppose if you are manifesting for 50,000, example I say, if you are writing as 50,000 rupees, you might get 35,000, or you might get 80,000, or you might get more than that, as it is in my case. But definitely you will manifest money. But another thing is, you have written 50,000, and if you receive, example, 5,000 rupees, okay, through someone, surprisingly, you get 5,000. Somebody comes up and some option, some thing, they comes up and you manifested 5,000, suppose. And please do not feel that, what is this? I had written 50,000 and I only got 5,000. Please never do that. Never, never do that. Respect the amount, whatever you have received today, whether it is 10 rupees or $1, whatever it is. Receive that with full respect and love. Then you see the difference. I'm telling you, definitely you will receive multiples of that. It all depends on how you are receiving that amount now. Yes, everybody will be happy when when you have written 50,000, and when you get 2 lakh rupees or 1 lakh rupees. Oh my God, I only wrote 50,000 and I received 1 lakh today, 2 lakh today. You'll be happy. I want you to express the same emotion, the same excitement, the same happiness, even if you receive that 5,000 when you have written 50,000. That is when you're going to receive multiples of that amount. If you put that down, I only received 5,000. I was expecting 50,000. Where is 50,000? Where is 5,000? If you are in this mindset, that 5,000 will be gone. You cannot enjoy that. You cannot utilize that in a good way for a good intention. And in the future, it's very less you're going to manifest money. That is why, please accept that 5,000 also with the same emotion. If you accept, if you receive 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 5 lakh rupees. This is all examples I'm telling, the amount and all, okay? So respect money in both small and big form, okay? So universe will test you. First, he will give you universe will give you 5,000 rupees. Let me see your frequency. Let me check your emotions. How do you respond for this? So depending on that, you're gonna manifest more in your life. I hope you got it. Please let me know if you have any questions on that. And next, I have written, I love receiving gifts and people love sending me gifts. I've written here. I'm not sure if this is clear. Okay. This one, somehow, one or the other way, maybe my sister-in-law or one of my relative or my brother or somebody else, somebody, one or the other people, they send me some amount of money or some gift. mm, this is for you, for this one you can buy something whatever you want, something like that. Yes, I have received like this some 4 to 5 times gifts like this. That affirmation will always be there because who doesn't love receiving gifts? Yeah, everybody loves, right? So that's what I had written. I love receiving gifts, and people love sending me gifts. People are sending me, and of course, I love it. The next affirmation is thank you. Sorry, I have manifested a luxurious international holiday this year, 2023. Sorry, 2022. Yeah, the manifestation happened in 2023. I have manifested a luxurious international holiday this year, 2022. Yeah, I have written this, but it didn't happen in 22. So 22 December got over, and then later January started, right? New Year. So I wanted to write new affirmations and all, and I wanted to revise all of my affirmations. If I have manifested anything, and I could put the tick mark on that and add new affirmations, new goals. So at that time, I updated this affirmation from 2022 to 23. You can see I have 2022 23 written that. I wrote it in 22. In 22, it didn't happen. And January, when I was revising, I made it 2023. Can anybody guess what happened? All right, great. I'm going to tell you. In 2023 May, I manifested this one. Yes, it happened. I when I wrote this luxurious international holiday, my visualization was like, this beach house, beach cottages. You might have seen the photos, or if you guys have visited these places also, like Maldives, Goa, and all that is there, no? Those beach places. So my visualization was that my house is just near the beach and I could walk to the beach. I could see the beach from my cottage. And what is that? Hammock will be there with all the sand, beach atmosphere, and beach cottage. This is what was my visualization when I wrote this what is that affirmation. And every day when I was reading this affirmation, I used to visualize this. Then one day, what happened? One of my relative, she calls me up and says, "Hey, we guys are have planned for a trip. Are you interested to join us?" They told me, and I didn't know which place, when, what is it, and all. Okay, yeah, I'm ready. I'll join you guys. I said, and okay, wait, I'll call you back. I'll get the details of everything, and I'll call you back. She hanged up the call. Later, she told me we are going to Lakshadweep. I had no idea that I will be visiting Lakshadweep. Then it was a bit excitement for me. Oh, nice, good. We are going to Lakshadweep beach place. Yeah, nice. I thought, and everything happened. We went, and I didn't know what are the bookings they have made about the cottages, or how are the cottages. Nothing. I had no idea. Everything they had done. I went there. After they showed me, this is your cottage, and the front side it is the road, or it was on the main road. And I was like, oh, is this the cottage? Fine, nice. And I went inside, and the back side it is the beach. It was exactly what I had visualized. Believe me or not, even today, I get goosebumps if I think of that. The visualization, what I had made in my mind every day when I was reading that affirmation, it was exactly same. I was jumping like anything that day. Uh, so I manifested that as well. That was fantastic. That trip, that holidays was so amazing. That was the first ever holiday. Even after coming back, for 1 month I was in that mood. I could not get over those plays, those days and all. We had lots of fun, and none of us were ready to come back home after 5 days. It was so beautiful. What a trend has come now in Insta Reels. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Sorry. So it was exactly the same like that. Uh, that thrilled me. So another thing is, I have written one more affirmation here in Kannada. I learned this from another my one of my guru. I have written, ನನಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವ ಹಣವು ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. uh, if I want to translate in English, like ನನಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಹಣವು, whatever I deserve, whatever I'm supposed to recover, all my money. Like, if you would have given some money to others, friends or relatives, and if you're trying to recover that money, you can write this manifestation. So it means all that money returned to me on time completely. So thank you, universe. That is what it means. I wrote this, and I was saying this affirmation every day, all the day, throughout the day, whenever I remind myself about that money recovery. I used to say this. I never felt any negative emotions about that. So I just started saying these affirmations. I think within 2 weeks or 3 weeks of time, I recovered the money for which I had written this one. I don't know. I only what to say. Looking at my manifestations, I'm so much thrilled. So these are my affirmations. I have many more actually, and others are all like general things like. I spread joy and prosperity everywhere. Oh yeah, I didn't talk about relationship, right? Relationship. So here I've written about myself. I love myself the way I am. I have an excellent relationship with myself and love spending time with myself. Of course, I started loving myself, and I literally saw a drastic change in me, in my thinking, in my emotions, in my behavior, and the way I respond for things, for situations. It totally changed. I don't know how to put that, but please practice this. Love yourself, self love. Self love is so very important. First, love yourself, then only you can love others. When you don't love yourself, what else you can do? So, love yourself. And what I have an extraordinary relationship with my life partner Dash, with lots of love, respect and intimacy in our relationship. We both are best friends and love spending quality time with each other. Yes, this is one of the amazing thing that happened in my life. Me and my husband, we are good. We are having a good relationship. We were having a good relationship. Like, as such, we didn't have any conflicts to mention or anything big like that. But here and there, small conflicts, every day that will be there. It's there in everybody's life. Correct. We say something and they get angry, or they say something, we get angry, or when they don't respond to us, we get disturbed. These things used to happen every now and then. But after writing this, it was a the best year with my husband out of what, 11 or 12 years of our married life. Yes, we have roamed around so many countries, we lived out of country. It was so beautiful, life is beautiful, it was nice, everything was good. But still, after writing this, it was like, we didn't have a single conflict, we didn't have a single fight, even it's a small fight or small angerness, nothing, literally nothing. It was the best year of my married life, and it is continuing now. This one I wrote last year, 2022. 2022 is the best. It's not one of the best, it's the top one. It is the best year of my life because I have manifested so many things in this year. And this one, relationship one, amazing, amazing. Even if I made some mistake or something I didn't do or whatever, he never got angry. Okay, it's all right, fine, he said. I was like, and the same thing when he didn't do something or when he didn't respond, I was like, I was normal. Oh, all right, fine, yeah. I never got angry. It's not that we were doing intentionally, I should not get angry, I should not get angry, let me respond normally, and feeling all that frustration inside. No, it was a natural flow. It was happening naturally. I don't know how to express more than this, but yeah, it was the fantastic year. I can never forget 2022 in my life. I have marked it in my book. It's the golden year kind. And yes, it is continuing as well. Fantastic. And what I've written, I have a loving and beautiful relationship with my kids, and we family always spend quality time together. This is, yes, right now, not right now, after writing this itself, we family, me, my husband, and my kids, we are almost all the time together. Now they have gone to school. Other than that, after their school hours, we all are always together all the time, all days. Somehow, I don't know. Wherever we go, we are together. Even we are at home, we are together. We are spending this quality time every day. Every day, we are spending quality time together. We are having lots of fun, all of us together. It's so beautiful. It's so elegant. It's so wow. It's amazing. Nice. I spread joy and positivity wherever I go. Thank you, universe, for giving me beautiful friends in my life. Yes, I only have beautiful friends in my life. I don't have any friend like who is bad or who is evil, something like that. I only have beautiful friends. I always attract trustworthy people. Yes, all the people with whom I'm in contact are all trustworthy. Mm, yeah, rest are all like, general ones. The targeted affirmations which I had written for my life, these are the ones, and I have already manifested. Why I did this video today? Why I came live today? 2 days back, I thought of writing new goals, setting new goals, new affirmations. 2024 is coming up, so I just wanted to add more goals and all that, and I wanted to renew the old ones. I just took this book out, and when I opened, it was like it gave me so nice feelings. I was so happy. I had all tick marked. See, you can see which are all I have manifested, and it's all done. I just thought of sharing this with you all so that you guys start writing the affirmations, read out every day with all the emotions, good emotions, with that excitement, with high energy, so that you will manifest easily in your life whatever you want. That was my intention to make this video. It's not that I'm boasting myself and all. I thought it will be helpful for most of you. Many people are looking out that how to write affirmations. What are affirmations? Many people doesn't know what is affirmation. What is an affirmation? And many people make mistakes in writing affirmations, like, there is no gratitude when they are writing the affirmation. Like, I start all my affirmations with thank you universe, I already have, thank you universe, I have this, something like that. So I start with thank you universe. I That shows the gratitude, and also it gives you um, a feeling that it is already done. When you say thank you, definitely there will be a smile on your face. Without that good emotion, I don't think so anybody can say thank you there. uh, do you just say thank you? No, right? Anywhere it could be to anyone. When you're saying thank you, means that means you are really happy. That is when you say thank you. You are really satisfied with that, you are happy with that. That is when you say thank you, right? Otherwise, I don't think so. Anybody would just say thank you, like seriously. Thank you. No, nobody does that. So when you start your affirmation with this thank you note, see, that's when you are saying that thank you, automatically that smile comes up on your face. That means you are vibrating that good emotion. When you are saying that affirmation with that good emotion, definitely it will be manifested, because your emotions are important. Gratitude is important. So, if you need any help in writing affirmations, please join my group, and I'm going to help you. I'm happy to help you guys. Definitely. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. And that's all for today. Uh, yeah, great. Thank you all. See you. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I make new videos. Otherwise, you're gonna miss out those videos. Okay, I wanted to finish this by 20 minutes. I think I took a lot of time, but still, I hope you guys liked it. Comments are welcome. Join my group, subscribe, like, and share. See you all, guys. Bye.